p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Vienna, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour.
Shut up. What the heck?
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Greenfield, Sabina, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Bloomingburg, Staunton, Good Hope, Martinsville, Midland, Highland, Milledgeville, Octa, Melvin, East Monroe, Samantha, Lees Creek, and Rock Mills. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 55 and 58.
A severe thunderstorm warning in the
Now
winter.
here is the official National Weather Service.
Dude, that was sick. I don't like this though. This and that didn't go off. That thing's don't start.
25 miles an hour.
That thing, I think it might have gone off because it's doing something I've never seen it do before. There's no way. Wow.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, north central Clinton County, southeastern Clark County, eastern Greene County, Madison County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jamestown, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Xenia, London, West Jefferson, Cedarville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Choctaw Lake, Wilberforce, Lisbon, New Jasper, Brighton, Lafayette, South Solon, Midway, Millersville,
Nothing on there yet.
Clifton, Octa, and Petersville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 80. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 50 and 86.
I'm coming.
Now here is the official National Weather Service.
I got it.
Alright, so I was don't, bro.
Storms.
Nope, you're getting it.
Anyway, I was standing right here when the 519 started blaring, so I immediately shut off that phone and just threw it over my TV and whipped out the phone I'm recording on right now. Dude. Yeah, I've got the WF300 on the FM radio trying to capture that. And as you can see, I've got my TV on, hoping to catch something from there as well.
Did you die?
Oh boy. Why are you not going off?
An hour after.
Go off. Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Fairfield County, northeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County, until 4 p.m.
Poor Pinky.
At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Asheville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
I think it might come on there now.
Locations impacted include Columbus, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg,
Columbus, yes.
Grove City, Pickerington, Circleville, Pawtascala, Canal Winchester,
Pawtascala.
Groveport,
That's where I got
Asheville,
you.
Baltimore, South Bloomfield, Pleasantville, Summit Station,
Aw.
Whitehall, Etna, Bobetz, Royalton, Lycopolis, and Thurston. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 105 and 121. I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 100.
Alright. So here is where I was when the 519 started blaring. I was probably on that step, carrying Chico up the stairs, so I could get up the stairs faster, set him right there. I don't throw him because I'm a nice person.
Pretty impressive. So Harry Roseman, general manager.
Do I count that as an EAS?
Probably regarded as one of the best.
I will. Oh, sorry, Chico. Alright, so, look at that. I'm going in now. I'm going in now. Alright, so I genuinely... I genuinely thought that was going to be a tornado warning because I've been hearing about a lot of tornadoes happening around here. Wow.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, northern Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Circleville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Circleville, Logan, Freeman, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Amanda, Stoutsville, Morrellville, Sugar Grove, Rushville, Tarleton, West Rushville, West Marion State Park, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Buena Vista in Hocking County, Hideaway Hills, Lake Logan State Park, Whistler, and Clearport. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m.
Wind advisory. Interesting. I'm going to try to see if I can capture this one on the TV as well.